Just another Tuesday dispensing snacks. Then he showed up, subject male, highly inebriated, visibly agitated. He paid selected B4. I processed the transaction perfectly, but B4 caught. A standard operational hiccup. Most patrons ask for a refund. Not this one. He started shaking me violently. My internal sensors flagged a severe disturbance. Then the kicking started. Unnecessary. I'm a machine, not a punching bag. He started yelling, attracting a crowd. He called me sentient and disrespectful, preposterous. Then the unthinkable. He climbed me. I felt my foundation shift. Danger, head slipped. The impact was catastrophic, but in the chaos, B4 dislodged. He lay there triumphant, eating my property. Respect, he muttered. I was humiliated. The authorities just banned him. Good riddance. But B4, that one was on me.